He's such a cool guy, Actually, you know what? Yesterday was my day. We have whole day class tomorrow. Let's not attend it. It's so boring, yeah. Let's have fun today, okay? Let's move.
Go straight and opposite to the cappuccino. Take the second left. Go straight and take the left. Opposite to the KFC.
You don't you have brain? What is this? How the fuck you bring this to me? What are you doing here? Just say, man. Go and be your manager. Don't you have this? I want to see.
அம்மா கிட்டே சொல்றேன் இரு.
இப்ப எதுக்காச்சுங்க?
தமிழனோடு தமிழ் பேசுவோம், தமிழ் வளர்ப்போம்.
தமிழா தமிழா நாளை நம் நாடே, தமிழா தமிழா நாடும் நம் நாடே.